Hello everybody, this is Mark Heat once more, and this is not going to be any one art video or a gaming video, although I have my van arts over here. This is more like an announcement video, alright? I'm going to Pyötsaari. It's some kind of a, you can think it is some kind of an island where I go to work so I get more money, so I can get Elgato or capture card or anything useful for my gaming videos. Yes, I'm not going to record any videos. I mean, I might record some videos in there. I might record some, but because there isn't any kind of a network, so I'm not going to upload them. When I get home about Monday, then I will upload them. And short announcement for my Warlords. I'm going to make probably Nikolai Belinsky, Tank Dempsey from Call of Duty, Zombies, or John Marston there. And I'm not sure if I'm going to take Skyrim with me, but if I do and I get some free time, I might record 11th episode of my Skyrim walkthrough, and there will be some audios too if you want. I mean, there will be. I will make let's plays now. So leave a like, subscribe for van arts and walkthroughs, and comment if you want to see some kind of a van art, like I can do like visual pictures, anything like it if you want. Anything, just comment it. This is my zombie creation. It doesn't have any title, but it is pretty goodly done, at least in my opinion. And yep, I could have lost my passion in this piece of art. I don't know what happened, but I thought it felt to be pretty bad in the evening, but now it looks pretty good. And here's my Skyrim logo, and see you on next episode, which is going to be Monday. Bye now.